Guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hey, I'm Patricia, and today I woke up and I was looking at my manga shelf and I was thinking, like, I haven't really went manga shopping in a minute. I know I did a manga shopping video about 3 months ago, but you know, I think it's time to re-up, and that's what we're gonna do today. I don't want to splurge today. I was thinking maybe a budget of $200. We are at our first location. This may be our only location, honestly, if they have a good enough selection. But yes, let's go into Barnes & Nobles and check out what they got. And currently, I believe I have like 180 or like 190 mangas in my collection. Let's add to that. Okay, so it's Saturday and there's a lot of people here, so I'm kind of embarrassed to speak, but I'm gonna get this done, okay, you guys? If you watch my previous manga hauls or manga shopping with me, you know that I'm just currently like focusing on continuing the series that I have currently. Alice in Borderland. I heard they're coming out with a new season. Honestly, don't know what they're gonna be talking about. Blue Spring Ride. You guys already know how I feel about this. Cole, we must protect him at all costs. Also, don't talk about my nails, please. I obviously need to get them done. Attack on Titan. I'm never gonna collect this. I'm sorry. The spines are like so ugly. Oh my god. Okay, Classroom Assassination. I used to watch this and I didn't get to the end, but I heard it was really sad. I don't think my heart can take that. Let's just put that back. And we have Berserk here. Black Butler. Did y'all hear that this is getting a new anime adaptation? Like, childhood me is screaming. I cannot wait for that. Ooh, okay, let's check out the box sets. They have Wotakoi. This is actually really cute. Rent a Girlfriend. Spy Family. Okay, so I actually left the Demon Slayer movie today and they showed like a little trailer for the Spy Family movie that's coming out. Tokyo Ghoul. Oh, this is Solo Leveling. Oh, yeah. I've been rereading Solo Leveling and it's been a lot of fun, actually. Stop, that's Yamato? She looks so cool. I want to cosplay her. Oh yeah, okay, like I was saying, we watched the Demon Slayer movie today. Okay, spoiler, just skip this part if you don't want to hear. It was mainly recap. I'm just gonna say that. Fruit Basket. I need to watch the remake. What do we have here?
Your favorite.
That's not my favorite. Call of the Night. Okay, David and I watched the first episode and I wasn't a fan. I dropped it very early. And then we have Bungo Stray Dogs. A friend recommended this to me.
Oh,
but
I heard this.
It's sad.
I heard it's really good though.
Yeah.
It's a series.
I think we should check it out. Oh, we have Daytime Shooting Star. Y'all already know how I feel about this. I currently have 1 through 4 at home, but then they just jumped to 8 and 12, so I don't want to collect that. The new volumes of Blue Lock, I definitely have to get this. Okay, so they have the newest volume of Chainsaw Man, and it's actually gorgeous. In the Clear Moonlit Dusk, top tier. Let's just say that. I'm just waiting for the 6th volume to come out. And then we got the new volumes of Kaiju number 8. I'm literally so excited for the anime for this. King's Beast. And the covers are gorgeous. Y'all already know how I feel about Komi Can't Communicate. I have like 2 volumes at home and then I stopped collecting them because I just felt like Komi didn't have much character development for me to continue collecting. We have Love is an Illusion. Okay, this is like top tier BL. We have this cutie right here. I kind of wanted to cosplay her. And then we have MASH. I actually read a little bit of it and it was kind of entertaining. It was like a mixture of Mob Psycho and Harry Potter, which is pretty cool. My Next Life as a Villainess. Peak. I actually read this before online and I loved it. Okay, so I could collect Sakamoto Days. I know I only have volume 1 in my collection, but I don't know. I kind of hate skipping numbers. Like, I don't want to go 1 to 3. And they're missing 2, which is kind of sad. When is the new volume of Sign of Affection coming out? Because I feel like I've had 6 forever and haven't seen 7. And Skippy. Yo, I remember when I was reading this online, and I hate the way they actually drew the main guy. Everything else, peak.
Card with us.
Okay, you guys, we are back in the car, and look at this bag. I got this bag for free, like, and it's pretty sturdy. Like all my books fit inside here. Can y'all see that? Like, look at that. I didn't go past like the 200 budget. I spent about like 150 today. Well, 144 specifically, and I think it was a good cop, and I'm pretty happy with everything I got. But I will be showing you guys a complete haul when I get back to the crib, but for now, just know I got the goods. Okay, the goods have been secured. Hey guys, so it's been about a week since we initially went manga shopping. When we got home, the sun was already setting, and I didn't want to start recording until I had really nice lighting, and literally for the next week every day was cloudy as hell. So today is the very first sunny day, but yeah, let's get into it. Like I said previously, I spent about like 150 manga shopping this time around, just to like splurge, because literally I have not gone manga shopping in so long, and I was like, might as well, you know, a little splurge. Use this as a sign to treat yourself if you haven't already. I'm probably not going to be manga shopping for like the next couple months. This is going to keep me going for the time being. Pretty happy with the pickups I got today. So let's get into it. So in total, I bought 12 mangas. You already know for the first manga series that we're going to be highlighting is Witch Hat Atelier. Or Atelier. I don't know. I remember last time I mentioned this in one of my vlogs or manga shopping videos, and someone was like, you're not pronouncing it right. And that's one thing y'all gonna realize about me. I literally suck at pronouncing stuff. I'm trying to do better. Sometimes I just go off 5s. I know that's not good, but you know, we're learning. Just for that, let me go to Google Translate. I'm gonna figure this out real quick with y'all.
Atelier.
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 Atelier. Okay. Witch Hat Atelier. This is volume 11. Let's get into the cover, you guys. I hold this series so dear to my heart. I love it. It's just really cute, and I love the art style. I love the storyline. But for those who may not know, I'm just gonna do like a quick summary. And when I mean quick, I really do mean quick, because I remember again, one time in one of my manga videos, someone was like, you definitely just spoiled me, and I'm like, I'm so sorry, I didn't mean to spoil anything. If you want to skip this part, you definitely can if you already know what this series is about. So this series follows the life of a young girl, and she really wants to become a witch. Like, that is her goal. But in her world, witches are born, you know, they're not made. You can't learn it throughout the process, and she's bummed out. And then she runs into this witch later on in like the first chapter or something. So somewhere along the line, she actually learns that, you know, witches aren't just born. You can actually become a witch by learning and practicing. So this is her journey of becoming a witch. I really hope they make an anime adaptation, because this is so good. As of lately, I feel like they've been making a ton of anime adaptations from like mangas or manhwas, and I've been eating it up. Yeah, like Apothecary Diaries. Have y'all been watching Apothecary Diaries? Literally so good. I'm thinking about cosplaying the main girl for Anime Weekend in Atlanta or MomoCon, whatever I decide to go to. But yes, and Sign of Affection, y'all. Like, these anime adaptations got me in a chokehold. I love it. I feel like this is a good cop for the first series. Okay, and the next manga series that I picked up is Kaiju number 8, volume 8. And let's get into that cover, y'all. Sorry about my nails. My nails are so ugly. I also got Kaiju number 9. But speaking of mangas getting an anime adaptation, y'all, Kaiju number 8 anime is coming out soon, and I literally cannot wait. Look at me clenching my fist. I cannot wait. I hope it's good. I hope it's not a disappointment. I hope it doesn't flop. I hope the opening soundtrack and the ending is just chef's kiss, because it's gonna be on par with like Chainsaw Man, Jujutsu Kaisen. Sorry if y'all hear my dog. Girl, she said you talk about jujutsu like Gojo. What's up? I'm just gonna let her, you know, keep barking. Go ahead, Kimchi. Is she done? Is she done barking? Okay. So kaiju number 8. Real quick summary, if you don't know what it is, you know, check it out after this video. So in this world, there's monsters. Fight those monsters. The government built like this military group of individuals that are super talented and strong, and they're able to fight these monsters. Cases like this, there's different groups, there's different departments. There's like the fighters, there's the builders, there's the cleaners, etc. And kaiju number 8 follows the life of the main guy. He's like in his 30s or something. He's on the older side, and he really wanted to become like one of these military people. He wanted to fight these monsters. You know, sometimes when you like strive for something greater and then like reality kicks in and it just does not happen. That's the case with him. And instead of like fighting monsters, he's cleaning up the mess after the military force have fought the monsters. So he's just a cleaning crew. He randomly finds or like eats this monster finger. He ends up becoming like half of a monster. And with this newfound strength that he has from becoming like half monster, he begins to start fighting the monsters. So he's like on the military side, but the military doesn't know that he's like part monster. One thing I like about kaiju number 8 for real is not just the main guy is like super cool. I feel like the other main characters and side characters are also really cool, like just artistic wise, character development wise. It's just overall, like, I feel like it's overall just a nice story. You know it's entertaining when you read it throughout the night and you're literally on chapter 50 and then you check the time and it's 3 a.m. and you're like, girl, I got work tomorrow, what are you doing? But it was worth it. The next series that I picked up, and your girl got 3 different volumes. Okay, so this is Skip and Loafer. If you don't know, now you know. I am a shoujo girly, joseon, whatever, like I'm here for the romance. If it's from the female point of view or the male point of view, just like a cozy read. And I feel like Skip and Loafer definitely does that. So it follows the life of this girl. She's the main character, okay? She's like your normal country gal. She's not a city girl, okay? But she does transfer schools one year and then she becomes a city girl. It's like a whole new world. Life is different. The city life is not what she's used to. Making friends is really hard. Dealing with relationships, just building those bonds and connections. It's all new for her. So this is just following her journey, her story on like building connections with other people, making friends, determining the difference between friendship and like romantic feelings. It's just really cute and cozy and such a nice read, you know? Like sometimes when you just have like a really long day and you just want to read something that takes your mind off of it and it's just super light and cute, Skip and Loafer will do it. And speaking of mangas that's getting an anime adaptation, there's already an anime for this. Like if you're not a reader, you better be a watcher. Go ahead, watch the anime, check it out. And I'm actually surprised that they had all these volumes. I got volume 4, 5, and 6. All right, the next series that I got, okay, it's Blue Lock. Yo, when I tell you I am like such a whore for sport anime slash mangas, and it don't even have to be like your regular sports like soccer, basketball, all that. I like the ballroom dancing, I like ice skating, chihaya furu. It's just the satisfaction seeing like a fictional character chase their dreams and do what they want as like a sport. It's just really cool to me because in high school I was never really a sporty kid. I was an art kid, but like thinking back, I low-key wish that I put myself in a sport. Like it would have been really fun. And I don't know, maybe I'm reliving my childhood and envisioning myself doing this, but definitely not in Blue Lock. Blue Lock is hectic, all right? Like it's intense. It's not soccer for them. This is life or death. For y'all that don't know what Blue Lock is, so Blue Lock is, in this manga, Japan literally sucks at soccer and they're tired of losing. They're sick of losing. They was like, we need to do something about this, we need to figure it out. And what they did, they built this intense training session. Well, it's not a session, it's like segment, it's like a long process to push these high schoolers to the next level so they can bring Japan to the Olympics. And when I mean like it's intense and dramatic, yo, so if you lose in this Blue Lock thing challenge, you literally can't play soccer ever again in your life. Like if you're not number 1, you're done. Bringing out their egoism to get to the next level and beat their opponent, and also just challenging themselves internally just so they can become the best versions of themselves. I got volume 9 and 10. And yes, there's also an anime for this. There is some like wonky CGI in there, but I mean, that's a part of the anime game, you know. Yeah, good cop. As y'all know, I collect Hunter x Hunter. So I saw that they had the newest volume 37 and I was literally like shaking in my boots. I was like, no y'all don't. What? Yes. what the heck. Oh my goodness. I really hope they start animating it again, but you know, I'm not gonna get my hopes up. But if they do, I feel like it's gonna be peak. Like, y'all remember quarantine where everybody was like watching Hunter, and that was low-key a lot of people's first anime. And if it is, like, kudos to you. Like, you have taste. My first anime was Naruto. Like, mad basic, but you know, it got the job done. But I'm pretty sure y'all already know what Hunter is about. But for y'all who don't, you know, real quick, it's about a kid that's trying to find his dad that left him when he was a kid. Okay, but no, for real, it really is about that. Like, it's this kid named Gon, and his dad is a hunter, and he left him when he was a kid to continue his journey on being a hunter and just living his best life. He was just really vibing. Gon was like, you know what, I'm not gonna hate my dad, I just want to figure out why he left, so I'm gonna become a hunter too and find him and like see why he likes being a hunter so much instead of a father figure. And then this is his journey of like just encountering various of people, making friends, making enemies, just growing as a person and just becoming a hunter. I love Hunter x Hunter. Like, Gon and Killua are like the best boys. We must protect them at all costs. Okay. Oh my god, we're almost done with this haul, y'all. After this, I just have one more series, but next we have Chainsaw Man. Okay, get into it. I got volume 13 and 14. I literally don't know what the second part of Chainsaw Man is about, but I'm gonna tell y'all about the first part just in case you don't know. Literally, like the name, Chainsaw Man, it's about a guy that is half chainsaw. He has the ability to turn into a chainsaw, and I don't want to spoil like how he becomes the Chainsaw Man, but yeah, again, similar to like Kaiju number 8 and like Jujutsu, it involves demons and monsters, so he's like fighting these monsters. But one thing Chainsaw Man is gonna do is gonna eat with their freaking art and covers. Like, y'all, why do I want to cosplay them? Who knows? Maybe I will. And the last series that we have today is Love in Focus, and this is volume 3. So this is a short series, and I believe it's just 3 volumes. So I'm finally done collecting it. It's just a cute romance, you know, adolescence, a slice of life. So it's about a girl and her childhood best friend. Y'all already know how that goes. I be feeling so bad for the childhood best friends because they are gonna get their heart broken like 95% of the time. She meets up with her childhood best friend. I forgot the reason why. She's going through something, so she's like fighting in him. She's a photographer. I think she's out and about just roaming around, and she stumbles across like this muse, you know, this cute kid or whatever, and I think it just sparked something in her. But I haven't read this in a minute. That's why me summarizing is kind of like not that specific because I don't want to like say the wrong things. Childhood best friend, main girl, and a new guy that she's interested in. That's the love triangle, but I mean that's the usual love triangle in most cases. You know, I'm not mad at it. And it was a quick little series just to have in my collection. Alright, you guys, so that's the haul. That's all the manga that I got when I went shopping at Barnes & Noble. And honestly, I feel like it was a very successful manga shopping with me, but I'm happy with everything I got. What about y'all? What do you think? Was this a good haul? I think it was though, I'm not gonna lie. And now for y'all's favorite part, let's go ahead and start shelving these. And as you can see, my manga shelf currently is literally jam-packed. I need to make space. We don't talk about that, please. So I don't know how I'm gonna organize this all right now. I have so much everywhere and I need to make room. So I'm just taking Death Note out because I literally only have 3 volumes. If you made it this far into the video, I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed, and see you in the next video. Bye!